Because the card scanner is going to have all that data, you're going to edit and verify it, but it's going to be clean. Then you're going to print out on 8.5 by 11 all the cards, and they're all going to show up on sheets of paper. Then you can start writing notes on them, and you can say, hey, this person I want to follow up with, this person I want to have a phone call with, this person I actually want to meet in person, this person I want to cross out, delete, I don't want anything to do with them. So what you do is you set up a system. So first scan, second mark up who you want to follow up with in what way, then you have emails, templates that you send out. The other thing you're going to do is every single person except for the people with X's, you're going to add them to your email marketing platform. For example, Constant Contact, which is the one I prefer and use. So you're going to add it to Constant Contact. So every month your list is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And every month you're meeting with more and more people. Why? Because the number one way to grow your business for professional providers like me is to meet with people face to face. How are you going to get face to face meetings? Is by getting those cards, scanning them in, sending out personal emails, plus adding them to the newsletter. Because if you just send out personal email, hey, let's get together, and then they don't respond, you send another one, hey, let's get together, they don't respond. By adding them to the newsletter, you're giving them a way out because you keep sending it once a month, and eventually